Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. I'm going to do blue up on top and yellow on the bottom. And this is sky blue from Master's Touch. And this is cobalt blue, Amsterdam Expert Series. This is Liquitex cadmium yellow. And this is Interference Gold by Golden, mixed with a little drop of quinacridone nickel azo gold right here. And that's all. I'm just using 4 colors here. Let me start off over here.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. Shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. Stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it
take a moment to thank everyone for being here today. I hope you're enjoying yourself. I'm certainly enjoying myself. I'm learning a new app and has a few different effects. And I'm learning that I don't have control over my music like I did before. So I'm hoping to learn it really quick. And I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far. Thank you for coming, everyone.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
We're getting along.
You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine, go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
So here's another one of those little gaps that I can't seem to get my music to be together. So, yeah, I'm trying to fix this up here. Using my airbrush, using everything. But I think the music is coming back now. I don't want to talk too long. This is hysterical. But I will learn how to use this app because I really like it. So I'm learning.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I love the way this came out. Check out those cells. Look how gorgeous that looks. Look at that. Look at that nickel azo gold. Isn't that just beautiful? I love this. Look at those flowers. Oh, just beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, it didn't take that long. Look at that sky. Really nice. Yep. Absolutely beautiful. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And please come back next Friday. I'll be here at the same time. Look for my premiere. Bye-bye now. Be safe out there.